you just write at the end, Normie. 17:04. Today is, see, she got some on 10th of April. Okay, this one. Just leave comments to Benny Lunsaga. He's having his got a premiere on the 10th, 7 at night. Premiere. Premiere Benny Lunsaga. Leave a comments at the end, Normie, so he can return to you. Yeah. As Minsa, please connect to Benny Lunsaga and to Malu and Celine Ruby. Connect to all of them. They are all the those who are there as Mensa. They are all the legit. I mean their main channel. These are all main channels as I am reading. It's all their main channel. So please connect to them, and so they can go back to you. Just make sure you have to leave a comments as Minsa. Well. Let me prepare the dinner for my grandma. But I'll have my phone in the kitchen, so I can play your guys. Dan Adventure. Another ano siya. Hindi pa tapos. Bro Dan. Ang haba ng ano mo bro. Dan. Ang haba ng harap mo. Ayan pa lang. Oh, I think this is already the second one. Okay, second na nga ito. Pangalawang ano mo na. Natapos ko na yung Beautiful Breslaw. Tapos na yung tatlo mo. 1, 2, 3. Ayan o. Nag-i-start na silang ayan. 1, 2, 3. Dan. Adventure. Ayan. Nandito na ako sa bakit itong isa? Monsterland, Germany. Monsterland, Germany. What's that? Dito na ako sa Monsterland, Germany. Tapos na yung harap. So now, let me go to other friend who are there. Malu, let me go to your chat, Malu. Malu, meron kang ano sis? Upcoming premiere. I'm going to watch her for 10 minutes, sis Malu. Wow, 1.3 views. Galing naman. Sana all. Ay, ano na ito? Napanood ko na pala ito. Happy birthday mo. Thank you, sponsors. Ito na lang maiksi para may harap ka. Wala kang harap. Ito ko ng harap. Birthday celebration again. Ang muting. Ay, all of you pala. Napanood ko na pala lahat ng mga ano mo sis Malo. Sa live na lang ako pupunta. Yun, may upcoming ka pala. Ang dami. Kaya napunta ko na yung mga upcoming mo. I've done all your upcoming, sis Malo. So, what I'm gonna do is watch your live. Hi, just a quick live. Uy, panood ko na rin. Nandun din pala ako sa live mo. Nandun din ako sa live mo ng GLS first day, balik 8 days ago. Nandun din ako yan. Almost sure nandun din ako sa Holy Thursday.